There is nothing more frustrating than stepping on the gas pedal expecting your car to accelerate smoothly only to feel it stumble, hesitate, or feel incredibly weak, almost like it is running out of breath. If you have scanned your car and found code P2179, specifically System 2 Lean Off Idle Bank 2, that is exactly what is happening. Your engine is literally starving for fuel or choking on too much air right as you try to accelerate. This code is very common in European and Asian cars like BMW, Audi, and Hyundai. What the computer is telling you is that on bank 2, which is the side of the engine opposite cylinder number 1, the air-to-fuel mixture has gone way off balance. Too lean means there is excess air entering the engine that the computer didn't account for, or there is not enough fuel being delivered. Since this says off idle, it specifically happens when you transition from a stop to moving, which is why you feel that hesitation. Your first move should not be to buy parts, but to pop the hood and listen. You are hunting for a vacuum leak. A cracked rubber hose, a loose intake boot, or a leaking gasket can suck in unmeasured air, confusing the system. Listen for a hissing sound while the engine idles. If the intake side looks tight, your next prime suspect is the mass airflow sensor, or MAF. This sensor counts the air coming in, but if the wire inside gets dirty with oil or dust, it underreports the air, causing the computer to spray less fuel than needed. A simple can of MAF cleaner spray can often fix this in 5 minutes. If those check out, you have to look at the oxygen sensor on bank 2 itself. If it is lying to the computer makes bad decisions. Also, do not ignore the basics like fuel pressure. A clogged fuel filter or weak pump can cause a lean condition because it just cannot push enough gas when you ask for power. This isn't a code you want to ignore because running lean makes the engine run hot, which can damage valves and pistons over time. Start with the simple air leaks and cleaning, and you will often solve this without spending a fortune at the mechanic.